We're doing things a little bit differently this week is because I want everyone, and I'm encouraging everyone, to go out for a meal. Why? Well, oftentimes when we do a plan like this, we sprint to 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. And at the end of it, we feel so deprived that we basically collapse. Even though we've gotten some results, we collapse and we don't know how to continue on after that. And that's not what this is, and that's not what a lifestyle plan is. I want you to turn what we've done these last 30 days or 28 days, and I want you to turn it into a lifestyle. And how you do that is by incorporating your real life into your meal prep and your discipline and your habits and newly formed habits. Because that's what we were doing, is we're creating a habit where we shop efficiently, we've created a habit where we cook efficiently, and we've created a habit where we portion control our meals so that we haven't eliminated everything. And it's not that you can't ever go out for happy hour again, because that's not a real life. A real life goes on dates, takes their kids out, goes out with their girlfriends or their boyfriends, you know? So make this a real life. So I really want to encourage everyone